Assalamualaikum my dear student. How are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sonia Khan Joya, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift, Dhaka. Today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the student of class 9 student. And our today's topic is chapter 3, section 3.4 discussion. So my dear student, look at the board. Class 9. Subject Bangladesh and Global Studies, topic chapter 3, section 3.4 discussion, term half yearly, lecture 8 and homework no. So my dear student, there is no homework today. So my dear student, let's start our today's topic. Class 9 subject Bangladesh and Global Studies, chapter 3, the solar system and the earth, section 3.4, the ebb and flow. The sea water gets inflated for a while every day. Rather, it comes to a stop for some while. Such inflation of the sea water in a regular manner is called the high tide or flow. So, high tide or flow, and disembarking of the same flow, again I am saying, and disembarking of the same flow mainly occurs due to the earth motion itself and under the influence of the moon and the sun. Again I am saying this para, the ebb and the flow. What is the ebb and the flow? The sea water gets inflated for a while every day, rather it comes to a stop for some while. Such inflation of the sea water in a regular manner is called the high tide or flow, and disembarking of the same is called low tide or ebb, and disembarking of the same is called low tide or ebb. The ebb and flow mainly occurs due to earth motion itself and under the influence of the moon and the sun. This is the picture of the ebb and flow. The sunrise of the ebb and flow, their reasons and classifications. The sun and the moon continuously attract the surface of the earth. The water of its surface gets inflated because of such attraction. Sea water regularly ascends and descends once after every 12.5 hours in due course. Both the ebb and the flow occurs after the every 6 hours 30 minutes. So my student, look at this. Both the ebb and flow occurs. Again I am saying both the ebb and flow occurs after every 6 hours and 30 minutes. This is very important line for your MCQ. Such inflation of the sea water in a regular course is called the high tide or flow, and descending thereof is called the low tide or ebb. The water at the middle sea generally ascends high or descends below at 1 to 3 feet only. At littoral regions, the mass water ascends and descends very high and low. My dear student, littoral regions means coastal area. The reasons of the ebb and flow. The ebb and flow occurs in consequence of the centric force generated due to the earth's rotation and of attraction from the sun and the moon over the earth. So this is the reason of the ebb and flow. Earth rotation and of attraction from the sun and the moon over the earth, this is the main reason of the ebb and the flow. Next, the influence of gravitation force. Each substance of the earth has an attraction. This attraction is called the gravitation force or the gravity. Due to the gravity, the earth moves around the sun. We know that due to the gravity, the earth moves around the sun and the moon moves around the earth. Though the sun is larger in size than the moon, by 2.6 crore fold. But the distance of the sun from the earth much more than the distance of the moon. The attraction force of the moon over the earth is more than that of the sun by twofold. Thus, the moon's attraction causes generating the ebb and the flow. Again I am saying the attraction force of the moon. The attraction force of the moon over the earth is more than that of the sun by twofold. Thus, the moon's attraction causes generating the ebb and the flow. Next, the centrifugal force. Since the earth is staying on its own axis, a spine moves around rapidly. Liquid mass water has the tendency of getting scattered from its surface. Such force is named centrifugal force. The centrifugal force helps originate the ebb and the flow. So, such force is named centrifugal force. So, the centrifugal force helps originate the ebb and flow. The classification of the ebb and flow. The classification of the ebb and flow. The ebb and flow or tide may be divided into a few categories such as the major tide, the minor tide, the flood tide or the spring tide, the neap tide or the ebb tide. This is the figure of the flood tide in the duration of the new moon, the flood tide in the duration of the full moon. On new moon lunar day, the moon and the sun stay at the same side of the earth. In the new moon, the moon, this is moon and the sun stay at the same side of the earth. So, sun, moon stay at the same side of the earth. In the new moon, sun and moon stay at the same side of the earth. Next, on a full moon, the moon stays at one side of the earth, whereas the sun stays at the other side of the instead. So, in the full moon, the moon stay at one side of the earth, and side stays at another side of the earth. Next, the interval of the ebb and flow. The major tide originates at any certain site a particular duration. A minor tide also originates over there after 12 hours and 56 minutes from the originated time of the major tide. At every concerned site, there originates an ebb after 6 hours and 30 minutes from the originating time of a flow in due course. So, again I am saying this, at every concerned site, there originates an ebb after 6 hours and 30 minutes from the originating time of a flow in due course. So, this is the picture of the ebb tide on 8th day. 8th day means lunar 8th day. 8th day of the lunar ebb and tide occurs. The influence of the tides on the earth. The tide has an influence directly or indirectly on the earth or the ground surface due to occurrence of the ebb and flow twice a day. So, ebb and flow occurs twice a day. The sweepings existing in the river get cleansed and its water becomes free of dirt. The river beds become deeper due to the current ebb and flow. Hydroelectricity is generated in lots of rivers in the world by utilizing the tide. So, this is very important for your MCQ, such as the Lawrence Power Plant in France and Hydroelectricity Center at Bandala at Bandala port in India. The tide from the Bay of Bengal reaches near Gwalando at the river Padma and at the Meghna near Bhairab Bazar. Salt is also produced from the seawater, keeping confined through drying process. Salt is also produced from the seawater. We know that salt is also produced from the seawater, keeping confined through drying process. In Bangladesh, strong tidal wave usually takes place in the new moons. In the new moons, when sun, moon stays at the same side of the earth. In Bangladesh, strong tidal wave usually takes place in the new moons, tide during the rainy season. New moons tide during the rainy season. So, my dear student, this is our today's topic. I hope all of you students have understood today's topic. So, my dear student, keep at home and see you again inshallah. Allah Hafiz.